friends, this is our practical in which there is one meeting hall. Uh, Here three doors, two door for entrance and one door for exit. For detection, I am using photoelectric sensor. You can see here. I have three photoelectric sensor, two for entrance counting and one for exit counting. This is our PLC programming in which I have three button extra, one for stop, one for start and one for reset. I have programmed when you start, when I count a person, for example this is one person enter, you can see here number are changing 3 4. I have set limit 5. Okay, and when person 5 enter, our contactor will be connect and our alarm is on. You can reset here. Once again you can see that first of all I press our start button for starting this program. Now you can see that our counter is working. When person 1 is entered from door 1 or any door, for example from door 2, you see that here number are changing 4. If any person exit from this door, from exit door, our counter will be reverse. You can see here. And when persons are full, because I have set limit 5, when it achieve 5, our alarm is on. Thank you so much.